Good afternoon. Today we are going for the few numericals based on capacitor. It's chapter number 2, class 12th. Right? So we'll pick few numericals from NCERT book. Right? So let me begin with the exercise. It's question number 2.5. Right? First question is the fifth question from the back exercise. Question is that a parallel plate capacitor with the air between the plates has a capacitance. One parallel plate capacitor having a capacitance 8 picofarad. Right? Pico here stands for 10 power minus 12. Right? What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plate is? Now this capacitance provided to you, right? In that case the formula is epsilon 0 A by D. This has been given in the question and we are writing the formula. इसको compare करके इसके expression से लिख दिया हमने, right? अब question demand ये कर रहा है what will be the capacitance if we have to find the new capacitance. क्या किया हमने? If condition, right? If the distance between the plate is half. ये जो distance है नई distance ये पहले वाले की half हो गई. It's okay. Distance is half and the space between, इसके बीच का जो स्पेस है डायलैक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट k से फिल कर दिया और k दे रखा है मुझे 6, राइट? तो नई कैपेसिटेंस का जो फॉर्मूला बनेगा वो बनेगा k एप्सिलॉन 0 a अपॉन d डैश, राइट? हम कोशिश करेंगे हम इसको पुराने फॉर्मूला से रिलेट करके इस वैल्यू को यूटिलाइज कर सकें. सो लुक एट दिस पार्ट. k वैल्यू इज 6, एप्सिलॉन 0 a को एज इट इज रहने दो, नॉट प्रोवाइडेड. d डैश को d by 2 लिखा जाए, right? So this become 12 epsilon 0 a by d, right? ठीक है. So this become 12 time of c. So the ultimate expression c dash is 12 time of 8 picofarad, right? Answer is 96 picofarad. Better to utilize this way comparison से, ratio से divide करके किसी भी तरह से maths को minimum possible utilization के साथ इसको solve किया जाए, right? This is question number 5. Right? Question number 6 is a very simple question. Textbook, 6th question. 3 charges, 3 capacitors of each of 9 picofarad connected in series. 3 capacitors, each of 9 picofarad. Joined in series to a source of potential 120 volt. नेट कैपेसिटेंस निकालना है आपको कॉम्बिनेशन का और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. तो सी नेट, सी इक्विवेलेंट 1/9 प्लस 1/9 प्लस 1/9. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ पिको आल्सो, राइट? सो दिस इज सी नेट इज 9/3. एलसीएम लेंगे 9, रेसिप्रोकल करके लिखा मैंने, इट्स पिकोफैराड. इट्स 3 पिकोफैराड इज द रिजल्ट. नाउ द टोटल चार्ज सप्लाइड बाय द बैटरी, इसको किसी बैटरी से जोड़ा जाए 120 वोल्ट. Q is equal to CV. So Q is equal to 3 into 120 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb. Now this is the charge on each capacitor. This would be constant as these are joined in series. So potential difference across first, पहले का देखो Q charge, Q charge, Q charge तीनों पे सेम है, तीनों की कैपेसिटेंस है, right? So this is V1 is equal to Q upon C1. Q is this one, Q into 120 into 10 power minus 12, and C1 is 9 into 10 power minus 12. Cancel out 3. This answer would be 40 volt. If you calculate other one, ये भी 40 आएगा क्योंकि तीनों सेम है. आप एक छोटा सा प्रैक्टिस पार्ट ये बना सकते हैं. इसको 9 ले लो, इसको 12 ले लो, इसको 15 ले लो और इस क्वेश्चन को दोबारा ट्राई करें, राइट? दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन 2.7 था जो इसके जैसा है. आई लीव इट फॉर यू फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. Come to question number 7. Again a simple question based on the geometry. Question number 2.7 from NCERT back exercise, right? 2.8, right? In parallel plate capacitor with the air between the plates, the plates has an area. Area of the plate has been provided to you 6 into 10 power 3 meters, right? And the distance between the plate is 3 millimeter. Now take care of unit. Each quantity when you use it should be in SI unit system. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. So formula epsilon 0 A upon D, right? So put the value 8.85, 10 power minus 12, area is 6 into 10 power minus 3 upon 3 into 10 power minus 3, right? Multiply 8.85 with 2, it's okay, right? It's 17.70, right? 10 power minus 12 farad, right? Capacitance. Now come to the next part. If this capacitor connected to the 100 volt supply. Now 3 questions based on the same topic, 8, 9, 10. So you will continue with this 8 for the 9th and 10th question. So it is connected to the 100 volt battery. What is the charge on the each plate? So Q is equal to CV, right? Multiply, it's 17.7 into 100 into 10 power minus 12. So the answer would be 17.7 into 10 power minus 10 coulomb. Question number 8, right? Proceed to the question number 9. It is picked with the same data. Explain what would happen if the capacitor is given exercise a 3 mm thick mica sheet. ये इसके अंदर एक 3 mm थिक माइका शीट इंसर्ट की, राइट? ऐसा करते हुए, राइट, उसने 2 केसेस बनाए. डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट 6. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेट न्यू कैपेसिटेंस. मे आई कॉल सी मीडियम, राइट? ये जो मेन फॉर्मूला है, दिस बिकम K epsilon 0 A upon D. The K value is 6 and the rest value is given to you. हमने इसको सोल्व किया प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में. 17.7 into 10 power minus 12, right? With that, the 2 cases has been provided. While the voltage supply remain connected, it means V constant. And second case, while the supply was disconnected, it means Q is constant. What we need to calculate? ठीक है, exercise explain between the plates, mica sheet. Explain what would happen to the capacitance of the part. So new capacitance would be this. If V remain constant, the new charge can be calculated. Q dash is equal to C medium upon V. V constant 100 volt. In this case, when Q remain constant, the new potential difference across the capacitor can be calculated, and that V dash would be equal to C medium upon Q, right? And the Q can be picked from the previous part, right? Hope it is clear to you, right? This is 9th question. Clear? So take care, जब बैटरी को डिस्कनेक्ट करते हैं तो चार्ज कांस्टेंट रहता है, और जब बैटरी कनेक्टेड रहती है तो पोटेंशियल रिमेन कांस्टेंट, राइट? लेट मी गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 2.10 based on the capacitance. Question number 2.10 from the back exercise. A 12 picofarad capacitor. Capacitance given to you 12 picofarad. Farad एक बहुत बड़ा यूनिट है. यूजुअली आपको कैपेसिटेंस जो मिलेगी वो फैरड में नहीं मिलेगी, माइक्रोफैरड, नैनोफैरड, पिकोफैरड, राइट? ये आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन बना के, राइट? कनेक्टेड टू ए 500 वोल्ट बैटरी. How much electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor? So symbol U, आप कोई और सिंबल भी ले तो एक लाइन लिख दें. It's okay, it's half CV square. Now looking to the given data, मैं फॉर्मूला half CV square यूज कर रहा हूँ. अगर चार्ज दिया होता तो Q square by 2C. It's half 12 into 10 power minus 12 into 500 into 500, right? That can be solved. It's 6 into 25 into 10 power minus 8. It's okay, right? It's 150 into 10 power minus 8 joule. That's the energy. Clear? Now next question, again the same part but it is different. इसमें 2 कैपेसिटर की कॉम्बिनेशन को यूज किया गया. It's question number 11. A 600 picofarad capacitor. May I call C1? 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by 200 volt supply. Charged by 200 volt supply, right? In that case, you can calculate charge. Q1 is equal to 600 into 200 into 10 power minus 12. It is 12 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. Or you can write 1.2 standard notation, right? Doesn't matter. राइट, इट इज देन डिस्कनेक्टेड। अब इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, इसका मतलब इस पर जितना चार्ज था वो कांस्टेंट रहेगा। डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम द सप्लाई एंड connected to the another uncharged, another, let me mark it 600, value same दे रखी है, right, it's okay, uncharged Q2 is 0, but obvious बैटरी नहीं थी वहाँ पे इसलिए वो uncharged रह गया। How much electrostatic energy lost in the process? For this let me first calculate the initial energy. U initial is half CV square, it's a C1 V1 square, right? So U initial, it's half, C1 is 600, right? V1 is 200 into 200 into 10 power minus 12, right? So this is, it's a 12 into 10 power minus 6 joule, right? This is initial energy. Now when both are connected, एक चार्ज कैपेसिटर को दूसरे अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर से जोड़ा जाता है। जब एक चार्ज कैपेसिटर को किसी दूसरे अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर से जोड़ा तो नेट कैपेसिटेंस जो थी, राइट, नेट पोटेंशियल जो था वो चार्ज का ट्रांसफर करेगा। एक कैपेसिटर चार्ज था, दूसरा अनचार्ज था, तो एक से दूसरे में चार्ज जाता रहेगा अनलेस और अनटिल पोटेंशियल इन बोथ बिकम सिमिलर। सो कॉमन पोटेंशियल जो वो एक स्टैटिक सिचुएशन में एक्वायर करेगा। फॉर्मूला सेम आपका Q इज इक्वल टू सी वी, सो इट्स Q1 प्लस Q2 टोटल चार्ज अपॉन C1 प्लस C2। आप इस क्वेश्चन को एनहांस कर सकते हो अलग अलग वैल्यूज लेके इस डेटा को चेंज करके, राइट। V कॉमन इज Q1 इज 12 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 8 प्लस 0 अपॉन C1 C2 600 प्लस 600 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 12, right? So this is V common, it's 12 into 10 power minus 8 and this is 1200 into 10 power minus 12, right? This get cancel out, so ultimately this remain 100 volt, right? So this is the new voltage, so you can calculate U final total energy कितनी आई, it's half C1 plus C2 600 plus 600, right, and V common square, it's 100 square. This energy can be calculated and the difference of these two energies would be the lowest. Let me calculate. It's okay, into 10 power minus 12 due to this pico, right? So solve it. It's half and 1200, so this becomes 600 and this 100 10 power 4 and this become 10 power minus 8. So this is 6 into 10 power minus 6 joule. Look and compare. Energy become half, 50% lost in the process. This idea can be extended, right? Can be used for the certain other numericals. In next session, we'll go for the certain additional exercise question and question based on the CBSE board exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.